Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. Try again later. We limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram to protect our community. Okay guys, if you are facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page first. Let me tell you that if you are going to like someone video or trying to post on Instagram and you are facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to make sure that you are using the latest version. So you have to update the app. Once update the app, just simply you have to open that app. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile. Now after that you have to tap on three lines. Now after that you have to go to settings. From here you have to go to privacy section. Now let me tell you that you have to go to limits section. Now after that you have to turn off limit. Okay guys, because you have turned on limits, that's why maybe you're facing the error like this. Just simply you have to turn off limits, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once this guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on help. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on report a problem, then again tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue. Let me tell you that you have to take a screenshot of your problem that you are facing. Just simply have to tap on upload option. Okay guys, and after that it will redirect to your gallery. Just simply have to select that screenshot, and here you have to write that fix my problem as per screenshot, then tap on send, and after that your request will be sent to the Instagram team and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.